Hi, my name is Crystal Oropesa, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 different scientific concepts I've learned in Food Science Health Nutrition 101. The first scientific concept I'm going to be talking about is the Maillard reaction. Have you ever wondered how the pastry you're eating has that delicious golden brown crust, or how that steak has the perfect sear? That is because of the Maillard reaction, which is a chemical process that occurs when there is a reaction between heated reduced sugars and amino acids. This is what produces that savory crust and golden brown exterior we all know and love. Next, I'm going to be talking about the beating technique, which is when air is incorporated into the batter of a cake by using either a stand mixer, a hand mixer, or a traditional whisk to ensure a light and fluffy batter. This helps with the texture of the cake because it makes it more airy instead of dense. To build on the different techniques when it comes to baking cakes, I'm now going to talk about the endothermic reaction, which is when the batter of the cake is absorbing the heat from the oven and starts undergoing chemical changes until it reaches the solidified state of a cake. So the cake undergoes different stages as it goes from being a liquid to a solid. Next, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics we've covered in FSHN 101, which is fermentation. There are different types of fermentation and methods to go about it, but essentially it is a process where microorganisms such as bacteria or yeast goes on to convert sugars into different things because of a lack of oxygen. These carbs could potentially be turned into acids, gases, or alcohol. For my final scientific concept, I will be talking about protein denaturation when it comes to eggs, which is the process of an egg losing its coagulated structure as the proteins start to break down while the eggs are being cooked. This image right here shows the process of the protein starting to break down as the egg is getting cooked in the diagram. Thank you so much.